So I was asked, Captain Kirk asked how you put the arrows on in the collage, and you can actually do it in the collage. Let me show you the way that I do it in creating my collages. This is the case where the collage was posted, and if you go up to the sort menu, you can see these are now sorted by dates. But when I'm creating a collage, I don't really want to sort by dates. I want to go to user defined, and what that lets me do is move images around and put them in the order that I want. For example, this was the order of my collage. I put them in this order. So the first thing to do is order your collages in the order that you want. So looking at another tooth that I did on this woman, I will go into the image organizer and I will sort the case by date image taken. And on that sort, I will arrange them in preliminary of how I think I want my collage to look. So I have the referring X-ray, my X-ray, maybe a few of my CBCT shots, some of the pictures of the sinus tract if I want. I'm just kind of trying to put together what my collage will look like. Of course, I have to put my drawing that I made for the patient in, and then maybe some of the access pictures, and then the calcium hydroxide pictures. I'm just getting them all kind of in line for me, not really deciding on all of the content of the collage. There's the down pack, the final pick, final resolution of the sinus tract, and then maybe some CBCT pictures. And these are ones that I just created a short while ago for this presentation by reopening up the cone beam, and there's a recall. So then what I'll do, since I'm in image data, I'll select all these in the order in which I've just changed them, and then I will right click and copy them, and then I go up to user defined, and I go down into a blank area here and paste. Now in the user defined category, sort category, it will put these in the order in which I've selected them, and then I'll select the final order after that. I can't see them there, so I'll decrease the size of the thumbnails so you can see what I'm doing. So these are the ones that I reordered, and then to put them in the place that I want, I just take them and drag them up to the top. Now they are in the order in which I want. Now I can increase the size. And now I can select the ones that I really want in the final collage, but they're kind of in the order that I want. And if I want, at this time, I'm trying to decide if I want any arrows or not. So for example, if I double click on this, it goes into the draw page. I simply come in and draw my arrows. And then I come down and save that. And that will save the arrows. Now they are ready to incorporate into my collage. The other thing I do is a lot of times I'll want a comparison of the cone beams at different times. So I will go in and double click on a 3x3. It loads it. Then I come over to the right box, double click, then double click on the other cone beam. Now I have a side-by-side comparison that maybe I want to do some arrows on. And then I want to keep this side-by-side comparison. So I come down here to Area Screen Capture. I capture that with the arrows on it. And then I come back to the image organizer, right-click, and paste it. And there it is. If I show that, you can see it shows the arrows with the side-by-side comparison. And I'll simply take that and put it up into the collage location that I want it at. Now I'm ready to choose my collage and what I want to have in it. And now is when I'm actually thinking of my collage. I don't want all of these in the collage, maybe just those. Then I go up to the collage. And there it is with the arrows on it.